Okay, right. Good morning to all of you. So, last class we completed cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. First formula. Next, second one, cos of x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Next, third one, sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Next, last one, sin of x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So this one we completed in last class. So how you are going to write the proofs also I was explained. Okay, now first proof means up to cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y means for every proof is required full theory, diagram by side theory as it is you write. After that, you points wise you have to write. So first point is asked, you have to complete up to first point only. So third point they are asked only first theory as it is you write, up to first point you have to complete, remaining third point you have to write. That's it. Okay, point wise we have to calculate. Okay, for every point is required their theory. Theory is common for 4 points. Right? Everything is clear? Next, continuation. So sin cos is there. Similarly, tan values we have to calculate. Right? 6. Next, prove that tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y into tan y we are going to prove. First one. Similarly, second one. So tan x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So these values we are going to prove using with the help of sin cos. We are going to prove. So first one I took here tan x plus y. So generally, what is the formula of tan theta? Tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. So you have to write tan of x plus y is equal to also in terms of sin cos. So sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y equal to cos of x plus y. Why sin tan of x plus y means? So we know that sin of x plus y formula. What is that? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by then what is the formula of cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y sin y. Clear this one up to here? Clear. Next one, in this fraction value, throughout fraction value divided with, see, you have to RHS value. So you have to compare these two. Compare these two. So where one is there? Where one is there? In a downside. So in that RHS denominator value, first value 1 is there. So you have to look up and compare these two. Compare these two. Compare these two. In that place indirectly 1 is there. Clear? So 1 minus. Okay, the minus before 1 is there. So you have to decide now. You have to decide now. So here 1 is required means, so that is numerator and denominator divided by, so what is the value? Divided by what is the value? Cos x cos y. So this value divided by same value we are getting 1. Okay na? ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So numerator and denominator is divided by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. Is it clear this one? Now tan of x plus y, it is equal to sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y whole divided by, next cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So in that RHS value, every value divided with cos x cos y. Understand this point? Understand this point? Note down fast. Note down fast. Note down fast. Note down fast. Note down fast each and every value. Right. Again, see that simplification. See that simplification means what here? Cos y cancel. Next here, what value cancel here? Cos x cancel. Next here, cos x cos y cancel. So nothing will be cancelled. Now remaining values you tell me now. So tan of x plus y equal to sin x by cos x means tan x plus, so here sin y divided by cos y means tan y divided by 1 minus, here remaining both are cancelled means 1 is remaining, so 1 minus sin x by cos x is tan x into this is sin y by cos y means tan y. Now first formula is tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan. That is first formula proof. That is first formula proof. That is first formula. Next continuation, second one. Tan of x minus y, it can be written as sin of x minus y divided by cos of x minus y. sin of x minus y divided by sin of x minus cos of x minus y. So we know these formulas. Sin of x minus y means sin x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos of x cos of y plus sin x sin y. Now each value numerator and denominator divided by same value cos x cos y, same value cos x cos y. Now tan of x minus y equal to sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y whole divided by cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So a tan of x minus y here simplified. So in that simplification, so cos y cancel. Here cos x cancel. Next here both values should be cancelled. Cos x cos y. So in that no value should be cancelled. So in that first fraction, so what is that remaining value? Sin x by cos x means tan x. So minus. Here what is remaining? Sin y divided by cos y. What is that? Tan y. So whole divided by, so here both values should be cancelled. Remaining 1 plus this is sin by cos means tan x into tan y into tan y. So that is our second formula proof. Similarly, using this one, you can prove also. Using this one, you can also prove cot x plus y. Cot x minus y. So cot x plus y formula is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by, so cot x plus cot y. This is the reverse. Next, it is equal to, so cot x minus y formula, cot x cot y minus means plus 1 divided by cot x minus cot y. You can simplify very easily. Similarly, you can prove that. Similarly, we can prove these proofs. Means very simple. You can prove. Tan place you write reciprocal. We will get this form. Tan place you should write every place means reciprocal. You put will get the solution. So that is our similar proofs. So cot x plus y divided by cot x minus y. Using tan x plus y tan x minus. You can using that one you can prove very easily this one. Okay, na? Note down fast. Note down. Cot y minus cot x. Sorry. Cot y minus cot x. Y minus x. Sorry. Simplify. Cot y minus cot x. Second formula. Small simplification. Cot y minus cot x. Okay, now completed this one. Next point. Put that heading. values table completed for you. Values table, sin, cos, tan. Okay. Standard values table. Standard values table. Note down this. degrees, 60 degrees, downside you write radian angle pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Radian angle also you read. No confusions in that. Radian angle also. This is 30 degrees andre pi by 3, 45 degrees andre pi by 4, 60 degrees andre pi by 3, 90 degrees andre pi by 2. Okay, no confusions in this one. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, so root 3 by 2. Next this is 1. Again you should write reverse. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Next one is 0, 1 by root 3. So 1 root 3 not defined. Not defined means you take infinite. So reverse next. Infinity root 3 1. 1 by root 3 not defined. Sorry, 0. Next secant theta. Secant theta. 1 by means 1. 2 by root 3. So next one is root 2. Next one is 2. Next one is not defined. 1 by 2. So what is the value? Cos theta value. This is 0. 1 by 0 means infinite. Next this one reverse. Cos 0 not defined. Next 2. Next root 2. 2 by root 3 0. 0 or 1 or 1. So these are the values table. First sin 0 0, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees 1. Similarly, all values you should take a reverse. So you should take reverse means 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So that is nothing but values of cos. Okay na? Idondu row ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸಾಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? tan 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin by cos. sin by cos, sin by cos, sin by cos, sin by cos. So we are getting tan table also, tan column also. So if you remember these three rows means you can write automatically remaining three are the reverse. Remaining are the three are the reciprocals of this. Is it clear this one? Next continuation. Next heading multiples and submultiples and submultiples of trigonometric functions. Multiples and submultiples of trigonometric functions. First, the angles 2a, 3a, 4a, 6a and so on are called multiple angles. So first we are going to discuss this one, submultiples angle. So the angles there only we have to write. Okay, first we will discuss about sine 2a. So these are multiple angles. These multiplied with trigonometric functions means what? Sine 2a. So the sine 2a, sine 3a, sine 4a, cos 6a, so and so on are called multiple angles of trigonometric functions. Multiple angles of trigonometric functions. Clear? Multiple angles of trigonometric functions. Now we are going to prove one by one. So first one we are going to prove that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. First we are going to prove sin 2x equal to sin x cos x. So you have to take in that angles, we know that one formula. We know that in sine, before that we have two formulas. Sin x plus y, sin x minus y. We have two formulas, sin x plus y, sin x minus y. So I took here sin x plus y equal to, we know this formula. What is that? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Clear? So in this formula I will substitute put y is equal to x. I substitute in the above formula, y is equal to x. So in equation number 1 we have to consider this. So what happens? Sin x plus y place you write x equal to sin x into cos y place you write x plus cos x into sin y place you write x. So what happens? Sin of x plus x is sin 2x equal to sin x cos x. Cos x sin x. Both are same. Added 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. That is our formula. So sin x sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Note down fast. Note down fast. Note down. Next are some note points. Some note points on sin 2x. Sin 2x. Using sin 2x, you write sin 4x also. Sin 4x also you can write. How? Sin 2x formula we have. So this one also you convert it into sin 2x. Means sin of 2 into 2x, right? 4x is nothing but 4x is nothing but 2 into 2x, right? Now it is the form of sin 2x. So what is there in x place? In x place 2x is there. In x place 2x is there. So you write the formula 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So sin 4x formula 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Similarly you tell me sin 6x. Sin 6x. Sin 6x can be written as 2 into 3x, right? 2 into 3x, right? So replace x by 3x in sin 2x formula. So 2 sin 3x cos 3x. Cos 3x. So like you write infinite number of formulas. So any number is given, you should write multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Similarly, we can prove that. Second one, prove that cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. Sorry, cos 2x. Sorry, cos 2x. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So second one, cos 2x equal to, this is very important formula. So 2 cos square x minus 1. Third one, cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So fourth one, later we will do that. Fourth one, cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. So means what you understand here, cos 2x we have 4 formulas. Cos 2x we have 4 formulas. These 4 formulas we are going to prove now. We are going to prove now. First one, cos 2x. So cos 2x we are going to do. So cos 2x you can write x plus x. You can write x plus x. Okay na? So we have cos x plus y formula. Cos of x plus y formula, apply that one. So what happens? Cos x minus sin x sin x. So you apply cos x plus y formula. Cos x plus y formula. So cos x minus sin x sin x. right? Now it is simplified. Cos into cos, cos square x minus sin into sin, sin square x. So it is the formula of cos 2x. It is the formula of cos 2x. First one proof is over. First one proof is over. Is it clear? Cos x plus y formula applied here. So y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು x ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ sin of 2x sin x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು cos x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y x ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ತರನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. Second one. Using first one, we have to prove second one. So cos 2x already equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square. Using first one, you have to calculate second one. So you have some identity relations. So cos square x minus sin square x can be written as identity relations. Sin square x plus cos square x 1. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ sin square x ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus cos square x. So minus is there, you take bracket. So after that cos square x minus is multiplied minus 1 minus plus cos square x. Now cos square x 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x second formula is cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So next third one. So for third one also you take cos 2x using first one. For third one also using first one or second one. That is our choice. So I am using first one only. So cos square x minus sin square x. So cos 2x equal to so here solution you are going to prove in terms of sin. What is the formula? So 1 minus 2 sin. So here we have to change cos value. So cos square is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus sin square 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now three formulas completed. First one cos 2x equal to formula cos square x minus sin square x. So next second formula cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x means how many formulas are there for cos 2x? 4 formulas are there. Already we completed 3. So how you are remembering these formulas means cos 2x formula you should write in terms of cos and sin. You write this formula. First one. Cos 2x formula you write in terms of sin and cos means you take first formula. So cos 2x formula in terms of only cos you have to write the second formula. So cos 2x formula in terms of sin only you write third formula. Cos 2x formula in terms of tan you take fourth formula. Now we are going to prove last one. See last one. last one. So you take RHS value, you fourth one. What is RHS value? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So the whole value you converted in terms of sin cos. So 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x whole divided by 1 plus sin square x divided by cos square x. So in numerator, what is the LCM? Cos square x. So cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x whole divided by, here LCM is what? Cos square x. So cos square x plus sin square x. So cos square x cancel. So this is RHS equal to. So RHS equal to, here cos square x minus sin square x, what is the formula? What is the formula? Cos 2x. We already proved cos 2x divided by sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? 1. So then what is RHS? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. It is equal to cos 2x. It is equal to cos 2x. That is our proof. That is our proof. Okay, now cos 2x formula in terms of tan we simplified. So same formula sin 2x also in terms of tan. Sin 2x completed, cos 2x completed. Similarly, same formula sin 2x. Prove that sin 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x formula we have already one completed. One is completed. Second one in terms of tan. Okay na? Same RHS value you take 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So 2 tan x means 2 sin x divided by cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin square x divided by cos square x. The whole value you should be converted sin cos. The whole value you divided by sin cos. So what is our next step? 2 sin x divided by cos x whole divided by, LCM is what? Cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x. So here one cos will be cancelled. So remaining cos x into sin x. Here 2 sin x into sin. So one cos will be cancelled. Remaining use. So RHS equal to, in a numerator, 2 sin x divided by 1 into this fraction you should write reverse. Cos square x plus sin square x value is what? 1. Cos square x plus sin square x value 1. So 1 divided by cos x is remaining. So 1 divided by cos x bringing into numerator means cos x divided by 1. Cos x divided by 1. So what is that? So 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. This is RHS value. So what is RHS value? 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So already already 2 sin x cos x formula ಏನು cos 2x cos 2x cos 2x cos 2x. Note down fast. Cos 2x. Okay, note down fast. Next one. Complete it up. Sin 2x. Sin 2x. Sin 2x, that is. Sorry. Right? Next point. Sin 2x completed. Cos 2x completed. Next one is tan 2x. Tan 2x. Equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this is paradox. Prove that. Numbers you note down. So prove that tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x with the help of sin 2x cos 2x. With the help of sin 2x cos 2x. So tan 2x with the help of sin 2x, or you follow another method also. You have to follow another method also. Sin 2x I will write tan of x plus x, right? Tan of x plus x, right? So we know that tan of x plus y equal to, what is our formula? Tan x plus tan y. We know that tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan x into tan y. Using that one, tan 2x equal to, so y place you write x. We are getting tan x plus x. So tan x plus tan y place you write x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. So just you substituted in y place x. So tan 2x equal to tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x divided by, so this is 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. So these are sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x. These are multiple angles of trigonometric functions. Next, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. Next, with 2 multiples. Next, 3 multiples. 2 multiples and 3 multiples. Okay, students, you have to practice this one today. Okay, each formula you have to practice. Cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x minus y, tan of x plus y, cot of x. These all formulas you have to practice. Okay, today this is your work. You have to practice all the formulas with the proofs. Okay, that is your work today. So that's why I am not giving any work. We have to practice these formulas. Tomorrow we will discuss sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. Like we have to calculate. Means these formulas we will discuss in the next class. Thank you all. Thank you all.